So today we have the new iPhone 12. It's purple in color and 64 GB for the storage. So for the screen size, it's 6.1 inches and has a total resolution of 1170 to 2532 pixels. On the back we can see we have a dual camera, one a wide angle lens and the other is just your normal camera capable of 4K video recording with 12 megapixel of camera, and it can shoot from 24 to 64 frames per second. So for the total weight, it weighs around 140 grams, which is fairly light for a phone. And for the screen and at the back, we've got tempered ceramic glass, which is not scratched very easily and it's very durable. As for the battery, it's on Leon 2815 mAh with a charging time of 15 to 65 hours. So from the box we get a 14.1 iOS software, which is upgradable as long as Apple sends the upgrades, and it's very compact, easy to use, and overall very economical.